Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mini Cooper windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Make sure your Mini's ignition is off and the wipers are in the service position. This prevents accidental activation. Also, place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to protect it from scratches. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its upright position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. Once removed, carefully lower the wiper arm back down, ensuring it doesn't snap onto the glass. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto your Mini Cooper's windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Finally, it's time to test your new wipers. Turn on your Mini Cooper's ignition and activate the wipers using some washer fluid. Observe their operation to ensure they move smoothly and clear the windshield without streaks. Double-check that both new blades are firmly attached and not wobbly. You've successfully replaced your Mini Cooper's windshield wipers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.